Level up your Instagram DMs by adding some serious personality with emoji reactions. First things first, open up your Instagram app and head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner. Now, find the conversation you want to react to once you're in the chat. Take a look at the messages themselves. To add a reaction, simply press and hold down on the message you want to react to. A small menu will pop up with a selection of popular emojis. You'll see options like the heart for love, a thumbs up for agreement, clapping hands for applause, a fire emoji to say something's lit, and a crying face for expressing sadness. Just tap the emoji that best fits your response, and you'll see it appear directly below the message you reacted to, letting your friend know exactly how you feel instantly. Want to react to a different message? Just repeat the process. Long press on that message and choose a new emoji from the selection. This makes your conversations so much more dynamic and fun, allowing for quick acknowledgements and expressive feedback without needing to type a full reply. Made a mistake or want to change your reaction? No problem. Simply long press on the message again and choose a different emoji to replace the old one. And if you want to remove a reaction entirely, just long press again and tap the emoji you already used, the one with the small X, or strike through to clear it. It's a fantastic way to keep conversations flowing and add that extra layer of personality to your Instagram chats. Start reacting today.